I beg, me una carry and come on my farm. When I don't destroy and finish, the remaining one my harvest and come out. I beg. Me una carry and come on my farm. Me una shift am, me come this time. Me una carry and come on my farm. I beg. As I say now, una wey dey rule this country. Me una carry and come out. I won't harvest. I beg. No, me get them. Me una shift am. I won't harvest. Tell your popsy. Tell him. Me una carry and come out. I won't harvest. Me una carry and come out. Service no na wey dey rule the country. Anyhow wey una wan do, me una do. But na my farm be this. Me una carry and come out. Me una carry am. Me una carry and come out. I won't harvest. Imagine na my farm wey dey come now. If I'm not here now, the remaining one they will destroy is finished. What a country. Imagine. In my own land, in Igbo land, see what they are doing. In my own land, in my own farm, and I'm watching. If I do something silly now, next thing the government will come and pick me up. But look at how they are authoritatively harvesting my crops, harvesting my cassava. Just look at how they authoritatively harvesting my cassava. See, look at how they grazed everything. In Igbo land though. Oga, shift am, come out. I won't harvest. What do you talk? No, na shift am, I won't walk. See now, we clear and finish like this. Now I collect the remaining one, go now. Shift am, make the entire bush there, go chop grass. Maybe to chop my cassava. See as they grade everything. For my own farm, why not go they do me like this now? See now do all these things. Man, the remaining one wey dey now, man carry am comot. Abeg make una shift am. As I say now, where they rule the country, but see, this thing dey bad now. See my farm. Dey bad now. See as they harvest everything. Drop am, carry am, pieces am, give the cow in chop. Something where I do under sun, cultivate, do everything. No be your brother.